like, what? They're a little skeptical.
Now let's be honest, with a dog's structure and lack of flexibility, they can't do many of the things that serious yogis do. But contrary to what you may think, yoga is something dogs are already familiar with. Ever heard of downward dog?
Being your slave. What should I do? Attend upon the hours and times of your desire. I have no precious time at all to spend, nor services to do, till you require. Nor dare I chide the world without end hour, whilst I, my sovereign, watch the clock for you. Nor think the bitterness of absence sour when you have bid your servant once adieu. Nor dare I question with my jealous thought where you may be, or your affairs suppose, but like a sad slave stay and think of naught, save where you are, how happy you make those. So true a fool is love that in your will, though you do anything, she thinks no ill.
My name is Osaka, who straight out of Africa, Ghana. Representing for the ladies. Are you ready? Well, they get them on a rough style, rough style. Get them on a tough style, tough style. They get them on a hot style.